Welcome to this presentation on blood. In this lesson, we will explore the composition, structure, and functions of blood in the human body. Blood is a vital fluid in the human body. It performs essential functions, including the transportation of nutrients and oxygen. In addition to nutrients and oxygen, blood also removes waste products from cells. It also transports hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate body functions, defends the body against infections, and maintains homeostasis by regulating temperature, pH balance, and fluid pressure. Now let's see what the blood is made up of. Blood is made up of two main components. The first is plasma, and the second is blood cells, which include cells and cell fragments. Plasma is the liquid portion of blood. It makes up about 55% of blood volume and has a straw-like color. Plasma is mostly water, about 90 to 92%. It also contains proteins such as albumins, globulins, and fibrinogen. Plasma carries nutrients like glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and vitamins. It also transports waste products such as urea, uric acid, and creatinine. Plasma also transports hormones such as insulin, glucagon, and thyroxine. It contains electrolytes including sodium, potassium, calcium, and bicarbonates. The second part of blood is called the blood cells or corpuscle, making up about 45% of blood volume. It consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Let's take a look at the red blood cell. Red blood cells are disc-shaped and biconcave, with no nucleus in their mature form. Their main function is to transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. They live for about 120 days. How is red blood cell produced? The production of red blood cells is called erythropoiesis. It occurs in the bone marrow and is regulated by the hormone erythropoietin. White blood cells are an important part of the immune system. They protect the body from infections. There are two main groups of white blood cells. These are granulocytes and agranulocytes. The first group of white blood cells are called granulocytes. The prefix granulo comes from the Latin word for grain or particle. Cyte is a common suffix for cells. Therefore, granulocyte literally means grain cell. They include neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. The second group of white blood cells are called agranulocytes, due to the absence of large, prominent granules in their cytoplasm. They include lymphocytes and monocytes. White blood cells perform very important functions. Lymphocytes include B cells, which produce antibodies, and T cells, which destroy infected cells. Monocytes develop into macrophages, which engulf and destroy harmful pathogens. Platelets are small, disc-shaped fragments without a nucleus. Their primary function is blood clotting, which prevents excessive bleeding. They have a short lifespan of about 7 to 10 days. When an injury occurs, bleeding starts. Platelets move to the site of the wound. A fibrin mesh forms and traps blood cells. Finally, a clot is formed, sealing the wound and stopping bleeding. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also re-watch to answer the questions. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concepts effectively and enjoyably.